Community leaders from Maweit in West Khasi Hills district along with staff from the Maweit PHC, youth and residents of the area visited Shillong yesterday evening to oppose the decision of Karuna Trust to dismiss a doctor and a supervisor at the PHC. The group was accompanied by Mawshinrut MLA Methodius Khar. They met Health Secretary Ram Kumar and other officials to discuss the situation. During the meeting, it was confirmed that the Karuna Trust, an NGO overseeing management of the PHC, had appointed a new doctor and supervisor to replace the dismissed individuals. Reasons for dismissal is unclear.
Daw nagaliang jonga government but nagaliang jonga nega kebor punya jonga nega PRC ke lengkap nega corona terus lada kimla ban sim khia kimla ban le kloi no một cái jing dunong ngis ngotu ba kadai habdang kadai yang ngi kum ki pai ba nong nong jonga nega dong bat ka thai ma ha ga mo area hi ke PRC ke don tang nega mo tang kan hi ke we
ha kan ni kapur ke bagi yakhi ki ni Aisha ba yakhi ki ni staff ba di kemud ba ngim tip ya kadau kadau ka pa maki ki ya tengko ngimla bantip ya kata mereka kanjir minta kalau baki weng no yo doktor majinda de kajing weng no yo kalau kajing du nang ka pakra hai kajing sekri jong u ka kala yai patala ki usted nganum penya kata mereka ki re ya kajing penyai kam jong ka corona Trust Committee ngim la ban tip ya ki rukom ki jing penyajong ki nginam la ban tuklar ya ka jing penyajong ki